by the way, guys, the recoil is like recoil pattern. The control pattern is like the recoil, guys, is like so good, guys. And it is good for like a close range. But be careful, watch your ammo, guys, if you're gonna do this in close range. It has faster fire rate and it's better for close range. Can let's go like place recoil. The recoil of the gun is double nothing. I'm gonna say that the recoil's not good at all. Okay, it's not gonna get good, guys, but the fire rate is insane, guys. Frick. Shit. I think if I die here, guys, I'm gonna do like another round to make you guys happy. I don't wanna make my viewers so mad about it. So shit, trip mine. Freaking trip mine, so huge freaking shit. The recoil's good, by the way. It's better for like freaking. You better change your fire. They shouldn't buff this to. You should buff the Gks to make it like a little bit like powerful. I can control the recoil. What the fuck? What's the problem? I can control the recoil. Freaking shotgun. That DR is so much. It's one of the most powerful guns in the game. Okay, turn. Okay, so we're gonna have to go turn here. Okay. That freaking DRH guy need to die in that ASM in Wow, this pistol is insane, guys. This is like iPerk's pistol. Super insane, like a submachine gun, guys, I'm telling you. This is super insane. Okay, shit. Same recoil. Fire it's faster. It's like a kinda good. That guy needs to. Let's go. Wow, that's gotta be the sick. Got triple kills in that. 3 in a row. That DRH guy needs to stop. He's like bullying me with that gun. That gun's recoils needs. You should not nerf them. Freaking DRH. Okay, guys. One more time, guys. One more time. One last game. I'm gonna be one last game, guys. One last game. So we're playing on the shoot house map, the new map, which is like Modern Warfare. I'm gonna say, guys, this pistol that I have over here is like a faster recoil. It's like a submachine gun. You can like if you have the Gks no ammo, you can use this. I'm gonna show you the loadout later, guys. Don't worry. Lost the lead. That's stuck, guys. Needs to be stuck. That thing needs to be stuck, guys. Freaking camper. That freaking thing is like needs to die, guys. Steady. No. She died with that. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna lose here. I'm gonna show you the loadout. Sorry, if we lose here, guys. Because I don't wanna disappoint you guys. Please, that DRH needs to be stopped. Otherwise, they make you embarrassed, guys. That I'm a noob. But the truth is, I'm a noob. I get freaking laggy. So laggy, guys. Sorry. I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna do. Showing my best skills in the game. Games like this. Okay. That freaking thing needs to be stopped, huh? I'm telling you that those things need to be stopped, guys. I'm telling you. They got faster fire rate. That freaking. If we lose here, guys, I'm gonna show you the loadout so you can try it, guys. It is so good. The recoil pattern, guys. It's like super insane. Freaking ICRPT. That needs to be stopped, guys. Stop. That freaking ICR needs to be stopped, guys. Okay. Sorry, guys, I'm a little bit laggy. My phone is like crashing right now. Because of the graphics. This. My freaking phone is like gonna die now. Because of the super lag of the game. Okay. I'm gonna show the pistol loadout too, don't worry, guys. That freaking DRH needs to be stopped. Okay, guys. Show you guys. So here's the loadout, guys. This fast fire rate and like no recoil, guys. But this is insane, guys. This is one of the goodest loadouts that I've found. That I've got, guys. This is so sick. You wanna try this? So try this. Fast fire rate, no recoil. Onto the pistol. So this is the pistol, guys. It is like a submachine gun, guys. It has fast, it has so much recoil, and like it has 20 rounds of reload, guys. So if you want to try this, so I get now. So okay, guys, thank you for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell, guys. So every single time I upload some Call of Duty mobile content and loadouts, you could be there watching it. And then peace out.